Hello, hello អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, in this clip video we talk about how to spell the word ni ye. Ni ye is two syllable. So no with sra a, but sra h here it change to sra e because it stay with the group O sound. Group O sound. All while that change with the that stay with the group O sound need to change from big from the original sound to the big heavy sound like the alphabet group O itself. Like this one, no with sra e, no e ni. This one normally sra e, so it change to sra e, no e ni. Yo also group O sound with sra a, it change to sra e. Yo ye ye nung yo ye ni ye. Okay, so ni ye. That how we writing and how Khmer people speak. Some old Khmer people speak, but I mean it speak in writing, but in casual speaking everyday you yeah, it sound like too long, so we like to cut it short. So we just say like yeah, 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 or yeah, or yeah. Normally you heard people saying yeah, 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 say what, yeah, yeah, it yeah, it mean ni yeah, yeah, it come from ni yeah. So everyday speaking we say it yeah, yeah, it a lot easier and short and people understand. So when we write in writing we need to write ni ye, but when we speak ni ye or ye.